Today we get to plug a tire in the wife's car. She ran over a nail, so let's see if we can't get this thing plugged. Plugging a tire is pretty much a straight and easy forward process, as long as the hole isn't too big. So let's take a look. I think we might be able to plug that as long as we can get that nail out. Here's a simple tool list. I don't know exactly what tool we're going to need, but it's better we take a few of them with us just in case we don't need it. So it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. When you're using this plugging kit, it comes with some simple tools. It's got a little tool to help ream the hole out a little bit. One to put the plug in. This one has two different size plugs. It has a little bit of cement to help hold it all. These little sticks are pretty tacky. Rubber cement ready. Alright, got everything ready. Well, as in life, we tried, we didn't make it happen. That's okay, we lost too much air, just didn't have enough room in there to work. Not a loss. We'll just take the tire off and we'll plug it that way. Anytime you're getting ready to jack up a car, no matter what level surface or unlevel surface it's on, it's always a good idea to put the emergency brake on. Seeing how the surface is also unlevel, we're going to chalk the tire also. Before we get the tire completely off the ground, let's loosen up some of these lugs first. And no busted knuckles. Put this plug in. There's it be perfectly flush when you cut it. You want to leave some sticking out. And you get the little thump, thump, thump on the road. You drive it for a little while, but the road will wear it down. Pretty soon, you won't even notice it's there anymore. Let's go put some air in this, get it back on the car. Let's call it a day. Let's go put air in the tire. My personal opinion, when you're putting air in a tire, is to follow the tire's manufacturer recommendations. If you follow the car manufacturer's recommendations, you might be putting the wrong amount of air in because you might have a different tire than what the manual thinks you have. Now we're back. Let's just reverse the process. Got the thing cleaned up. Took about a 20-30 minute break. Let's see if it's still holding air. Looks like we did a pretty good job. It's still holding air. At least the tire's not flat. We'll wait to see what happens tomorrow. As you can see, this isn't a perfect world. We had some problems at the beginning. Try to make it quick and easy. That didn't happen. We had to go the long way, take the tire off, plug it, put air in it, bring it back, put it back on. But we're done, and it should last quite a while. Subscribe, like, leave a comment.